Steamcrave, Aromamizer, Supreme, V4, RDTA. Let's do the damn thing.
These videos are educational in nature and are designed to help people over 21 who smoke cigarettes switch to a less harmful alternative.
I've really been enjoying this. I've been using it as an RDTA. In fact, here, let me show you the deck. It's a really simple postless deck. Here and here are where my wicks are going to go down, and then these two holes are where these are going to go. This comes out. The holes go right in. That's my airflow. I can kind of see where my coils are going to land. It's kind of just boom right there. You can see it. That's why this thing has such good flavor. Now the top airflow part can just kind of go on arbitrarily. Airflow gets adjusted thusly. I wish this thing had stainless steel cables for wicks or stainless steel mesh for wicks or something like that. I don't love using it as an RDTA without wicks like that, but fear not. We can turn this into an RDA. Much like the Aromamizer Plus V4 RDTA I did not too long ago. I always just keep my fingers on the coils or my fingers on the deck because this kind of just comes out. I got cotton and double spare glasses, including a bubble glass and a set of coils and a baggie. I just need the standard length pin right there. There's also a squonk version of it. Say what you will about Steamcrave, man, but they always cover all their bases. It is wildly easy to just seat the deck back in there. Peak insulator, short pin. Now the base goes on. Now it's the Aromamizer Supreme V4 RDA going on top of a Kennedy Vindicator.
Beautiful, Clark.
You can see the big wick catch cups. It's going to be real easy to wick, and it's going to have what feels like a real deep juice well. In fact, I'm going to leave these a little bit on the long side. Eyeball everything. The cotton was actually the perfect length. I want this to be JMW succulents for some reason, so we're just going to have to do this out of an easy dripper. Oh, vapors. Just line up the pins. I squirted my hand with the easy dripper, and the airflow is going to adjust the exact same way in RDTA mode because it is actually the same exact top cap. Let's start it right there. Let's get back out to normal view. Go. Dude, here's the thing. Steamcrave has been making products, RDAs, RTAs, RDTAs in the vape space for well over 10 years now. I didn't really get into using Steamcrave stuff though since maybe 2020. Maybe in the last 6 years I've really been using Steamcrave stuff, and it's kind of impressive. I don't necessarily have the super desire to use this as an RDTA. I like it a lot as an RDA, but I like that it can do both, and it can do both really well. You know, I'm going to say a lot of things about this that I said about the other Aromamizer that I reviewed, the Plus V4 Aromamizer. I love the size of this. I love the look of this. I like that the airflows just kind of carousel around the whole body of it. On any given moment, I can adjust my airflow, dial it in however I want, whenever I want. And even in full open, full cloud chasing mode, it is still wildly smooth, wildly flavorful. The way this airflow is blasting right at the coils, like right from the side, you couldn't ask for better flavor. This is JMW succulents. I mean, chef's kiss. I don't really have any cons. One of the airflows, the airflow that just goes across the top, seems kind of useless to me because it's just going across the top of the coils. Maybe there's a build that can accommodate that airflow, but that airflow seems kind of useless to me. And it can go back and forth between an RDTA and an RTA, but it is a little bit of a process. Pins have to come out. The deck has to come apart. You know, it's a lot of parts and a lot of little things, and it's real easy to lose O-rings sometimes or lose peak insulators, which would be, you know, kind of detrimental to the whole system. So, you know, it's maybe a little bit involved. But other than that, honestly, right now, this thing is singing. It's a dual coil, 0.14, Twisted Timmy Aliens. It was on the Vindicator, but my Vindicator was misfiring, so it ended up on the Matterhorn. I love this mech. I love this combo. I don't think I'm going to give it a 10 full banana stickers, but it's going to be right there. It's going to be right there with like 9 full banana stickers. Versatility, absolutely. Performance, yes. I mean, that's what Steamcrave kind of seems like they're all about, is high performance vape gear. I mean, this is high performance. I'm glad to see Steamcrave still around in 2026, and I want to see Steamcrave around for the next 10 years. If you're wondering where these can be picked up, purchased, or otherwise acquired, don't worry. I will never be able to tell you that, and despite being completely demonetized on this platform, YouTube still gets mad at me if I tell you the exact retail price, so I'm just going to say what I always say. It's Steamcrave priced. And the most important part of any of this is any human being smoking cigarettes should replace all that smoking with vaporized theorizing. It's not even close anymore. The science is crystal clear. There is a world of less harmful nicotine products on the market. In the description of this video, I'm linking only to science and only to education. This has been a GrimmGreen video. Let's stay cigarette smoke free every single day.
It's like 10:30 and I'm just gonna smoke, so